Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox Hot Wheels Premium. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product Hot Wheels Premium Hammer Drops Bugatti Veyron. This is the first car in the set of 5. This is a premium card of Hot Wheels car culture. This set has Bugatti Veyron, Lancia Strato Zero, MG Metro 6R4, Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 and Mazda 787B. This is a licensed product and officially manufactured by Mattel. So let's unbox it right now. Finally we have unboxed it, and here it is, the Hot Wheels Premium Bugatti Veyron. Just look at this product. This is a 1:64 scale model of Bugatti Veyron from Hammer Drops collection. It comes in a white and blue color combo. Also, the blue alloys give it an amazing look. Just look at the detailing of the headlights, the grille, the logo of Bugatti, the paint job, the rear lights, and the badging of the Bugatti. Even the exhaust looks great. Also, this car comes with a realistic interior inside with visible steering, dashboard, and seats. Wow! This car comes with rubber tires, unlike the mainline Hot Wheels with plastic tires. Bugatti Veyron Hot Wheels 2022 Mattel, made in Thailand. So, if you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to at least your 10 friends. Guys, the main thing is this premium Hot Wheels has more weight than the normal Hot Wheels. Now let's keep this premium Veyron in a 1:64 garage. Just look at this, guys. It's so realistic. Like the Bugatti inside a garage. Wow. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Now let's take this Veyron for a very short test drive. Wow, it went so cool. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.